Hello friends, welcome back. These are our 6 months old pomegranate plants and their growth is very less. In today's video, let's see how to promote the growth of pomegranate plants. The fertilizer I am going to use today is beetroot liquid fertilizer. It is rich in calcium, potassium, magnesium and zinc. Here I am taking 2 medium-sized beetroots. I am going to cut them into pieces and put them into 1 liter of water. I have cut the beetroot into small pieces. Now I am going to add this into the container. Now I am closing this container and going to keep it airtight in a cool and shady place for 7 days. After 7 days, the beetroot liquid fertilizer will be in this state. This liquid is fermented and lot of microorganisms would have grown in this liquid. I am going to take 200 ml of beetroot fertilizer and dilute it in 1 liter of water. Now we are going to apply the diluted beetroot fertilizer directly into the soil. Plants will easily absorb the nutrients from this liquid fertilizer and will start growing well. Rich potassium in this fertilizer will promote the growth of roots, stems and leaves. Overall, this fertilizer promotes the health and growth of plants by providing them all essential micro and macronutrients. After 3 months, we can see the plants have grown well up to 5 feet and the stems have become bigger in size. Also, we can see the leaves are greenish in color. In few months, the pomegranate plants will start flowering and we can get fruits from the plants. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one. Bye.